This week here at Car Care Kiosk, we've been working on a Subaru Outback, and we thought we'd give you a quick preview of a few of the repairs and basic maintenance on this vehicle. First up, let's show you how to change the cabin air filter. Open the glove box to begin. Disengage the right side dampening arm. Squeeze the sides of the glove box together and lower it. Reach up here for the cover. Pinch the two tabs on the cover, then pivot the cover open. You can slide out your air filter now. Next, let's access your reverse light bulb. Open the hatch to begin. Pry down this small cover. Reach up here for the bulb assembly. Turn the bulb assembly and pull it down. Here's your bulb. You can pull it straight out. Finally, here's how to remove the front and rear wiper blade. Raise the blade. Use a tool and press the tab on this blade. Pull the blade out from the arm. Raise the rear wiper blade. Twist in a controlled manner and the blade will pop off the arm with ease. We also recently showed you how to take off the front bumper on this vehicle. You can go find that on our YouTube page. But if you want more full repair videos and more in-depth repair videos, please visit carcarekiosk.com.